Hi, and welcome to the Easy Way channel. Today I will show you one easy method to fix your game micro stuttering and to get more FPS in all games. No matter are you on new or older PC, on high-end or budget setup. This optimization can be applied on all types of PC configurations and works on Windows 10 and 11. We will disable Game Bar Presence Writer, which is an executable process for Game Bar. If you use Game Bar to record your gameplay, then, and only then, this is not for you. And in all other cases, disabling this process can only bring you better gaming experience. Game Bar Presence Writer is known to cause issues like taking up too much memory and CPU. It can eat your frame rates, and even on high FPS, it could still be choppy, and will cause game lagging. It also take your bandwidth, so you see how much negative stuffs this thing do to your PC, and you don't even use it. So today we will disable it, and you will write me in comments section, how much FPS did you get after disabling it, and did you overall game experience improved, regarding FPS, stuttering and lagging. Before we start, please support my channel by subscribing and liking this video. And now, without further ado, let's jump into video. Okay. For security reasons, if you made any mistakes during this tutorial, I suggest you to create a system restore point, so you can revert your PC to state it was before making these steps, just in case you mess up something. You can skip this part if you don't want to create restore point, or you already know how to do it. To create restore point, right-click on Start, and select Search. Type Restore. And up here click on Create a Restore Point. This window will open. Select your local disk C, and then click on Configure. Make sure that Turn on System Protection is enabled, and down here, set maximum disk usage about 5%. To save this settings, press Apply, and then OK. Now select your local disk C again, but now click on Create. Give your restore point a name. I will call it Backup. And then click on Create. Wait few moments, and system restore point will be created. If you want to restore your PC to the point you just created, click here on System Restore. Check this option, choose a different restore point, and click Next. Here select restore point you created. Click Next and finish with System Restore. That was it, regarding System Restore. And now we are going to disable Game Bar Presence Writer. Open File Explorer, and go to your C drive. Then open Windows folder, and inside, open System32 folder. Up here, type Game Bar, with no space, and hit Enter. File we are looking for is this, Game Bar Presence Writer. Right-click on it, and select, Open File Location. You need to rename this file, in order to stop running. But even if you are on administrator account, it won't let you to modify this file. For that, you need to take full control over this file. Right-click on it, and select Properties. As you see, full control over this file, only have this trusted installer, so we need to take ownership from him. Then take full control over that file. And then we will return ownership to trusted installer. Otherwise we can't rename it. So, to take ownership, click here on Advanced. Next to the Owner section, click on Change. Here, you need to enter current account name of your PC. To check your name, left-click on Start, right-click on Profile, and select Change Account Settings. I am logged with my Microsoft account, so I will enter my email, but if you are logged with local account, you can enter your name displayed here. Enter your name here. And then on the right side, click on Check Names. Your name will appear properly. And then click on OK. Here press Apply. On any pop-up window, select OK. And here OK. Now we have taken ownership of this file. Now let's go and take full control. Right-click on Game Bar Presence Writer again. And select Properties. Select Security tab. And then Advanced. As you see here, now we are owner of this file. Click down here on Add. And then here on Select a Principal. Here write down your account name again. Then select Check Names. And then press OK. Now check this box next to Full Control. And select OK. Here select OK. On pop-up window, select Yes. And then OK. And now we have full control over Game Bar Presence Writer file. Only thing we need to do is to get back ownership to the system, to that trusted installer. To do that, right-click on Game Bar Presence Writer, and select Properties. Again, Security tab, Advanced, and up here click on Change. In this box, you will type NT, space, Service, /TrustedInstaller, with capital T and I. I have left you this name for Trusted Installer in video description, so go down, copy it, and paste it here. Click on Check Names, and then select OK. As you see, Trusted Installer is owner again, and now click on Apply. OK. OK. And OK. And finally, we now have rights to modify this file. Right-click on it, and select Rename. At the end, type anything you want. I will just type number 5, and then press Enter. Here click on Continue, and we manage to rename it. What does this means? Well, every time game or app want to start Game Bar Presence, they will look for this file. And because we have renamed it, they will not be able to find it. And because of that, it will not be able to launch. If you, for some reason, want to revert this back, simply right-click on the file. Select Rename. And delete whatever you added at the end of this file name, and press Enter. As a bonus, I will show you one more setting that will stop Game Bar Presence Writer to be activated ever again by any game or application. Right-click on Start, and select Search. Type regedit, and select regedit up here. Click Yes on this user account control window. This window will open. Now you need to go again in this video description, and copy registry address that I left, and then paste it here. And then hit Enter. On the right side, you will see activation type file for Presence Writer. If you double-click on it, under Value Data, you see it says 1, which mean it is on. And we need to turn it off by deleting 1 and adding 0. But we can't do that yet, because we don't have permission to do that. To get permission, right-click on Windows Gaming Game Bar Presence Server Internal Presence Writer, and select Permissions. Click on Add, and enter that account name you used in Method 1. Click on Check Names, and then OK. Now go to Advanced. And here, click on Change. Again write down your account name. Click on Check Names, and press OK. Here select Apply. And then OK. Now, under Allow, check this box for full control. Apply and OK. Double-click on Activation Type and change Value Data from 1 to 0. Press OK. Close Registry Editor, and restart your computer. And that was it. We completely stop any programs or games on your computer to activate, start, or even find game bar presence writer again. Please test your games before and after this steps, and tell me, do you see any boost in your FPS, less stuttering and lags? If this helped you, please hit that like button. And to help me even more on my YouTube journey, subscribe with the bell on, so you can get notification when I upload my next easy way tutorial. Bye.